Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. We are loyalists to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we're facing. Yes. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Therefore did not come. These are people without vision. People that doesn't know their left and their right. They started using den gun, going to bushes to start shooting animals in the name of chasing Fulani. We are not chasing any ethnic group from our land. I have made it very clear.
I love my people very much and they know it. I don't want all this, anybody involved. I've been hearing about idiots talking all over the place. Some fools trying to be relevant because of Biafra or trying to use my name to gain relevance. I don't want it. I don't want any killings, no kidnapping. All this nonsense are alien to us as a people. I don't know where these animals came from. They are taking advantage of the fact that I'm in detention. But it will soon end. It will soon end. They know what IPOB stands for. IPOB is one family. Any idiot trying to leech on IPOB, trying to use the name of IPOB, trying to subvert the will of the people, our principles and our core values, that person has a lot to contend with when the time comes. You can run, but you can never hide. You can run and hide and be talking all manner of rubbish, but one day we'll catch up with you.
We also vehemently reject any activity of the evil beast, the commander-in-chief of gunmen in exile, self-acclaimed prime terrorist, who specialized in kidnapping innocent people in Biafra land in the name of IPOB. The prime terrorist has came up heavily to send precaution to anybody that should go against Fulani herdsmen is a terrorist. We shall be bringing to you the bunch of lies from the prime terrorist about how he has been deceiving Biafran people and compromising Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's manifesto. Now listen. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon on another video. Thanks for watching.
Therefore did not come. These are people without vision. People that doesn't know their left and their right. They started using den gun, going to bushes to start shooting animals in the name of chasing Fulani. We are not chasing any ethnic group from our land. I have made it very clear. If you go after ethnic group, you become a terrorist. We are not going after ethnic groups. We are going after the terrorist army, police army, every Nigerian forces that carries gun. That is the people we are going after. Because once you go after them, you have uprooted the people in the bush. If you go after ethnic group in the name of Fati Fulani, you are a terrorist. This is the international law that many idiots don't know. If you go after Fulani in the forest in the name of fighting terrorism.
Umani Bonnie, I want to. Come on, why now? I didn't come with a papa. Where's the capital Gorgi? Nnamdi State, Nando Hanese, Munai Beleba. He will manage it that. No, near. Cabin, mine, and it. Oh, and now.
There won't. Okay, there's no number. If you know, okay,
IPOB.